So here's how to add to Instagram highlights. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, now here you have to click on the plus icon at the bottom. Then from here you have to select the story option. You have to upload a story or you can create your own. Here I'm gonna create my own story, and for this I took a blank picture, and after that here I'm gonna select the text option, and here I'm gonna adding any random quote or a phrase. After that from here I'm gonna choose the text style. Once all done, now I'm gonna click on the share button at the bottom to share the story. Then here I have to again click on the share option, and after that you will see this option add to highlights at the top. Now here I'm gonna click this option to add it as on highlight. You can add this story on all highlights, or you can simply create a new one and name it. After naming your highlight, then click on the add option at the bottom of this, and once you click on the add option, then your highlight will be added. Now click on done. Now your story will be added to your highlights. So this is how to add to Instagram highlights.